Well, today will be gorgeous sunshine, warm temperatures. Get out and enjoy it because the 4th of July holiday is not looking great. Clouds roll in and the potential for excessive and heavy rainfall into Friday with slightly better weather for the weekend. So we have clear skies across Minnesota. Just a gorgeous Wednesday on the way. Soak it in. Tomorrow and Friday are not going to be as nice. First half of the day should be dry on Thursday, but we are going to see clouds roll in pretty quickly. And by the afternoon and evening hours, scattered showers and thunderstorms. Highs in the mid 80s today across southern Minnesota, upper 70s, close to 80 in the northern part of the state. So really sort of picture perfect and right in line with normal almost. Just a couple degrees above average here, perhaps for most of the state today, but it's going to be great opportunity to soak up some dry summer weather, something that has been lacking lately. Want to take a look at some of the extremes. Now, 4th of July itself has been warming over time, 3 degrees over the last 50 years, no surprise there. We're not going to be anywhere near the hottest in 2012 or the coldest, but we could break the record for heaviest rainfall if we can get past 2.3 inches before midnight tomorrow night, which is possible. But it looks as though that rainfall might be split up. Now, this is the official Weather Service forecast, 1 to 3 inches of rain across southern Minnesota, and that is in line with really the average of the models that we'll show you here in a second, but there are going to be locally heavier amounts. This is what we're watching. This is what we call a shortwave upper level disturbance here, a little trough that'll be moving quickly towards us already by late tomorrow. So it'll be moving across Idaho, Montana, and the Dakotas and Wyoming. And as it gets east of the Rockies, taking advantage of some of this moisture, showers and thunderstorms will rapidly fill in here tomorrow afternoon into tomorrow night and Friday as it moves east. So already a couple of thunderstorms late in the day, potentially northern Minnesota, but then this is the area that'll be moving in by lunchtime, scattered showers and thunderstorms. This won't be the heavy activity yet, but that will fill in more as we head into the late afternoon and evening hours. Now, this particular model, this is the high resolution rapid refresh model, actually has us in a dry break at 9, which would be around fireworks time. Other models, though, have it raining at that time, so it definitely doesn't mean it's going to be dry. It just means, optimistically, maybe one of those models will be right. We do have a slight chance of excessive rainfall. Now, this is that blend of the models I was talking about, the weighted average, and you can see a wide spread, 1 to 3 inches of rainfall that we do not need across the whole southern half of the state into western Wisconsin. But we're going to be watching for locally heavier amounts. There will be higher amounts in pockets. Trying to pinpoint where that happens is very difficult, though. So don't pay attention to where it is, just that it is. This is the NAM model. It happens to have that 4 to 6 inches right over the Twin Cities. Could be south, could be north, could be east, could be west. But somewhere in the southern half of Minnesota and western Wisconsin, we'll probably see a 4 to 6 inch rainfall amount. So just be aware of that possibility. Get out on the lake today if you can, or the pool. Take the day off if you haven't already, if you are able, because tomorrow is not looking great. Yeah, it'll be cooler too with the clouds and showers moving in. Now, the more optimistic models hold off maybe the bulk of the moisture until towards the evening, but that doesn't mean it'll be sunny in the afternoon, just maybe won't be as wet in the afternoon. But half the models do have the showers and thunderstorms starting up right around lunchtime or early afternoon. The clouds and showers will linger into Friday, less heavy though, by midday and afternoon Friday. And then the weekend isn't going to be guaranteed dry, I'm afraid, but it will be better than tomorrow and Friday. More of that Miami sort of convective situation where we'll see peaks of sun here and there, a shower and thunderstorm here and there, sun, thunder, you get the idea. Spotty thunderstorms around, but not as organized or persistent as what we're seeing here tomorrow and into Friday. There are signs that next week could look drier though, so fingers crossed that we get into a more of a typical July-like pattern.